M0FXB, welcome back to my videos on the KENWOOD TS-2000. Today we've got the RT Systems software. It's only about, in the UK, it's like £20 and well worth. You do need a cable on the back of your radio. So this is the cable that I've got just here, RS232, and it plugs in just here on the far left, just there where I'm circling. And then the other end, you can have it to RS232, or I've just got a USB one. Once you've downloaded the software, you open the program like so. Here it is. And that's my radio connected live. Next thing is right click and go device manager and get your COM number. Scroll down where it says ports, double click, and you've got COM8 here. Close that down. Communications at the top, COM port, and then select COM8. Okay, drop down menu there, COM8. Click OK. Now we're going to start reading the radio. So we've opened the program. You can see at the bottom it's saying here memories and limit memories is what we're getting. So let's just go get data from radio, and I have factory reset the radio. It does tell you to make sure that both the A and the B is in VFO mode. So on the radio, there's the main, and there's nothing here anyway. Because there's no memories, it's not showing that I can put it into memory mode. And then I put here, click all, okay? And click OK, and it's now reads. Now, I think it reads live because I've noticed that some channels with other software, as I change them, even before I read and write to the radio, they appear. And so that was with Chirp. I'm not sure how TS-2000, RT Systems does it. But anyway, let's program some channels once this has read the radio. So you're hearing the radio, it's beeping, it's changing all the bands as it reads everything, and it's doing it all live. I have got some very cool screen control software that I'll show you at the very end. And I definitely recommend you watch Karen's video from RT Systems. So let's just look at some of these selections. We can go get data from radio, so that's reading the radio. We go across, we've got radio menu settings. Within the radio menu settings, I noticed we've got A and B, but we've also got the chance to select different settings presets. Okay, I've noticed it says packet cluster tune, that's a new thing. DTMF, again, you've got A and B. Mic remote control, that's more learning. And DTMF memories, so I put one in there, we just go hubnet, like so, and then we go. One that I use a lot is star 34152. Okay, that gets me into my hubnet node. So the external files open and save. I'm going to go yes to that. I'm applying the settings. So if we look at the programming menus and memory, so menu setting. Now the reason they've done this, and as default, I think I'll just use the first one as my most common one. It actually is called common. The idea is that when you're using different types of software programs, different connections, whether, I don't know, it's VHF, UHF, packet, all that, you may need completely different settings. And if you scroll down here, we've got operator interface, monitor sound. You've got the configuration for the RC2000. I believe that's an external head unit. Antenna here, antenna connector, and as you select, you can change auto mode, auto notch, auto simplex, beat cancel, all these CW type settings, microphone gain, ALC, speech processor. I am being quite quick on this. And squelch levels, XIT. So you've got all these settings. Let's quickly, everything else looks the same. Tabs. Just click and then see what that does. Not seeing any change there. So if we go back to that one again and say choose number 5. So we can put in completely different settings, and then when we write to the radio, we write it with this memory selected. But we're just going to stick with the 0 for now. I'm not going to change any of those settings. Moving across, we've got new horizontal tab, new vertical tab, move to the next group, move to the previous group, and then lots of help with this. So look, let's just say we want to get help on memory channels, and then it opens up this window. And this is what I love about RT Systems, and that is they're giving you help all the way along. And also don't forget, they will actually log into your PC, you know, and help you if you're stuck. They provide this excellent service. Of course, we can update it as well. I'm going to go yes, but I'm pretty sure it's up to date. Yeah, all files are up to date, as it says. So lots of help there. All about everything you can think of, it's all there. You've got shortcuts here along this tab here. Print, paste, copy. So all the copy, paste, cut, all that kind of stuff that you expect with an Excel type sheet. And then I just go read and write. So let's just read from the data. So we get data from the radio. It's blank. We're going to click all. You don't have to select all. You can select just memory channel. If you go to none and just memory, it's going to be quicker. But I'm going to go all and click OK. I've noticed that when it does read, it does make lots of beep sounds and everything. So we'll let it do its thing. And then we're going to see if we can import from repeater book. And notice it's saying menu A, menu B. The radio's going through. Fascinating. I noticed on Karen's down here, she had another tab that was called satellite. So I'm just looking to see if you can add tabs. So I'm just going right and left here. I might email and ask. But if we right click, insert channel, you know, delete channel. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything different there. Go back to memories, and then we're going to go file, external data, repeater book search. And let's get everything in there. United Kingdom's got my town, 40 miles. We don't need things like fusion or anything like that. It's not a digital radio. So 2 meters, 70 sems. I could put 4 meters in there, why not? Just so we could see it. And 10. And then we're going to go OK, and it's going to bring in all this. So now we're going to copy and paste this to this tab and send it to the radio. So we're going to go right click. Can we just go file, edit, select all? I'm going to click the bottom one here, hold my control button, just clicking on the number and go all the way up. Like so. Right click and copy. I'm going to go back to the first tab, click the top number 00, and I'm going to go paste. And then I'm just going to literally send that to the radio. Let's see what it does. This is the first time and I'm learning all this with you. Click OK. Now when I did this with Chuck, it was very glitchy. Let's see how it works with, yeah, there's no glitchiness there. It's all looking good. Very beepy. Of course, you can add HF memories. You don't have to have just VHF, UHF 6 meters. You could add your, yeah, you know, it's a shack in the box device, isn't it? Pretty much covers everything. Built-in antenna tuner. Pure joy to use, and it's lovely. Got a lovely speaker on it, I feel. And TNC and satellite mode. Right, it's finished beeping. So let's hit the memory button. And we'll do it on the B band as well. If it lets me, yeah. Sorry, I'm leaning over. Just, but you can see we've added hundreds of channels. There's someone there. I don't know if you can hear that, GB3FI. On the main. There's GB3FH. So that's excellent. I've now got all these channels, a few clicks. We can listen to airband on this radio as well. On the right hand side there, we're hearing Cheddar, which is GB3FI. Let's hit this radio settings tab. And again, we've got tuning control, operator interface, memory channel split, tunable fixed frequencies, scan operation, monitor sound, voice volume, output configuration, receive antenna, S meter squelch, DSP equalizer. Ooh. Okay, that's pretty good. DSP filter, fine TX power tuning. Didn't even know we could do that. Timeout timer, transverter. So you can connect a transverter to this. TX line, amplifier, message. Oh yeah, this radio can record. See all the CW settings, mic gains, TNC. We haven't tried that yet. Programmable keys. Are they programmable? Oh, look at that. So the PF 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, which are labeled as call, VFO, memory, and PF. Okay, I'm just looking at them. You can. It looks like you can change their function. Quite a long list there. And what else? Master slave operations, TX inhibit packet. Oh my god! Then you've got the configuration for the RC2000 repeater functions, repeater mode, Sky command. And again on A or B, and then again with selecting the different preset memories for the settings. So yeah, it's just wow. So yeah, very pleased with that. No glitchiness at all. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Of course, you need to just spend hours and hours tinkering. But let me just show you the software that is provided by KENWOOD for free regarding screen control. So just opening that up now. See if it will connect. There it goes. So this is live. And this is free. I've got this. I've been using this. It's a pure joy to use because the radio is about 3 foot away from me. And it controls everything. You can see we're showing there Cheddar. So completely pleased with this. I'm gonna click some buttons there. Because it's survived now. VFO, memory, scan. We've got sliders here. Let's turn the volume up. All right, bye for now. 7-3.